Welcome back to Auto Reviews, your go-to channel for in-depth motorcycle reviews. Today, we have something truly special, the beast from Italy, the Aprilia RSV4 Factory. If you love speed, technology, and top-tier performance, you're in for a treat. Let's dive in. Design and aesthetics. First things first, just look at this beauty. The RSV4 Factory is an absolute stunner with its aggressive aerodynamics, sleek LED headlamps, and winglets for improved downforce. The sculpted fuel tank and sharp fairings give it a mean, race-ready stance. Aprilia has blended form and function perfectly here. Engine and performance. Now, let's talk power. The RSV4 Factory packs a 1,099 cubic centimeters V4 engine, pushing out a jaw-dropping 217 horsepower. This bike is engineered for pure adrenaline, whether you're hitting the track or carving through mountain roads. The acceleration is insane, and that V4 exhaust note. Pure symphony. Technology and features. Aprilia has loaded the RSV4 Factory with cutting-edge electronics. You get a full-color TFT display, multiple riding modes, cornering ABS, traction control, and launch control. Plus, the semi-active Öhlins suspension adjusts in real time for the perfect ride. This is race technology at its finest. Riding experience. On the road, the RSV4 Factory feels like a precision weapon. The handling is razor-sharp, thanks to the aluminum dual-beam frame and lightweight build. The riding position is aggressive but still comfortable for those spirited weekend rides. Every twist of the throttle delivers instant, heart-pounding response. Final verdict. So, is the Aprilia RSV4 Factory worth it? Absolutely. It's a track-bred superbike that brings MotoGP performance to the streets. If you crave top-tier speed, cutting-edge tech, and an incredible riding experience, this bike is a dream come true. That's a wrap on today's review. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to Auto Reviews and let us know in the comments, what do you think about the RSV4 Factory? Until next time, ride safe and stay fast.